Good evening, Mr. Omar. Welcome.
Good evening,
Longest time.
Well done. Okay, longest time.
Yes, now.
As you don't see me now, they make trouble here and there everywhere now. I think a compound down there in peace as I come. As I don't come back now, you should just know saying a fire for fire. You know me?
You just come back, you never reach 4 hours. You don't start.
Okay, I just come, never even reach 4 hours. I don't threaten you. No problem. No problem. Inside they owe you rent. I'm coming back. House where I never stay for months. And they come back. I should pay you rent.
Oh, I'm not too much.
You
say they wise.
I'll look into your case.
You better think about it, I beg. I need the money.
And they tap the girl for road since 9. Now fine girl. Say she they work for WWE. Let me tell you, my dream of going to America very soon. It will soon be redeemed. And when I go to America, you know, I will come back to this country and show you Shege.
My own be say better pay me my own strength.
I want to video call her. She said my video caller. At the end of the day,
you never learn lesson. You never change that this stupid man.
What? Eh?
He shock you.
Hey! That's Nana. Nama na dekat tapi nama.
Jesus is Lord.
Hello, Oga. Oga, talk to me. Stop dancing. Talk to me.
You think say they wise?
This one a man, I be a woman. He get breast, I can't get muscle.
Shy.
Hey. See, Oga Lord. I didn't call you in the entire house.
Don't call me, you better just prepare to pack out of my house. Make you do no enter this matter.
See.
And they never leave.
Hey.
They have left you behind. Yeah! And I am go to another defeat day. Sorry, oh. May God not allow them make them kill.
No, na me fuck up.